Do you know many people are having trouble with setting up notifications on their smartwatch? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Open app. Open the Huawei Health app on your phone and ensure your watch is connected. Step 2. Find device details. Navigate to the device details screen within the app. Step 3. Enable notifications. Tap on Notifications and toggle the switch to on to enable notifications. Step 4. Select apps. Select the apps you want notifications from and toggle their switches to on. Step 5. View notifications. Swipe up on your watch's home screen to view unread notifications. Now you should be able to easily receive and view notifications on your Huawei Watch GT5. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Huawei users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.